Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good stew using an easy method. First, select a good cut of beef, like chuck roast, which offers excellent flavor and tenderness when slow cooked. Cut your beef into roughly 1.5-inch cubes. This size ensures even cooking and helps the meat become wonderfully tender. Next, brown the beef in batches in a hot pot. This crucial step creates a rich, deep flavor foundation for your stew, so don't rush it. After browning the beef, it's time to build your flavor base. Sauté aromatic vegetables such as chopped onions, carrots, and celery in the same pot until they are softened and fragrant. Then, deglaze the pot with a splash of red wine or beef broth, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. This adds incredible depth. Finally, stir in some tomato paste and cook it for about 2 minutes to enhance its rich, savory notes. Now combine your browned beef and sautéed vegetables back into the pot. Add enough beef broth or water to just cover the meat and vegetables. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for 2 to 3 hours. This slow cooking process is key to achieving incredibly tender meat. Once cooked, you can thicken your stew with a cornstarch slurry or simply by letting it reduce uncovered for a bit, creating a perfect consistency. For the final touches, stir in fresh herbs like chopped parsley or thyme just before serving. These add a wonderful brightness and aroma to your finished stew. Taste and adjust the seasonings with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking, ensuring every spoonful is perfectly balanced. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade stew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.